welcome to my channel again. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your own night cream, and the best part is it is a complete package. It will help in reducing fine lines, wrinkles, your acne problems, your blemishes and skin dryness and everything. So without wasting much time, let's go into the video to find out what's it.
एलोवेरा जेल आप किसी भी कंपनी का एलोवेरा जेल यूज कर सकते हो एंड देन वी नीड सम ग्राउंडेड कॉफी पाउडर. Coffee is very beneficial for your skin, and at last we are going to use a glycerin for moisturization. So these three ingredients we are going to use. So we start adding all the ingredients in a mixing bowl, and for like 1 tablespoon of aloe vera we will be adding like half teaspoon of coffee powder and half teaspoon of glycerin. तो इसी proportion में हमें add करना है and start mixing. and हमें सारे ingredients को काफी अच्छे से mix कर लेना है. And just make sure there will be no lumps. So I feel that I have put some extra coffee, so I will be adding some more aloe vera in it. Make sure there will be no lumps and mix it well. So now you can see ये काफी अच्छे से mix हो गई है. You can see its consistency. So we can store this mixture in some airtight container और ये हमारा खराब नहीं होता है, तो we can use it further. So our night cream is ready. Look at its color and texture. Isn't it amazing? So if you guys don't wanna use chemical, so you must give this a try, and this is for both men and women.
So you can store this cream up to 10 to 12 days at cool and dry place. And if you like my video, don't forget to share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, bye, take care, love you all.